morning. I'll be covering Nifty's technical view for the coming month. And if you see, Nifty has rallied up a lot in last few months. Ever since our budget was out, and after that, Nifty has been on a one-way upside rally, which followed the deep correction that came in the markets before budget. So right now Nifty is back near its 52-week highs of 9,100 levels. We have touched 8,700 already, so not much left to go. So now a lot of excitement is there whether we'll take out that 9,100 or not, or what will be the coming targets of Nifty, since we have already touched 2,000 points from after budget. So what my view is that we are in a very big bull run in Nifty, and still that there is a lot of upside left in Nifty. And for currently, still Nifty is buy on every dip. Currently Nifty is trading in a range of about 8,600, near about that, 50 points plus minus. So till 8472 holds, till 8472 holds, we are clearly in a buy on dip market. And if you get that level of say 8,500 to 8480, that would be a very good accumulation zone, a very good buying zone for Nifty. And you can look for a 2-3 week target of about 8,800 to 8,880 in Nifty. So that is what I would suggest in Nifty, that if you have a 3-4 week view, you should go long on every dip in Nifty. For short-term traders, there might be some minor correction coming in, especially if Nifty trades and holds below 8560. So if we go below 8560, then you can see some correction coming in till 8480, which is the level that I expect Nifty to hold, and would be a very good accumulation zone. Bank Nifty, on the other hand, is looking very strong, and you can expect a breakout to come in Bank Nifty sooner than later. Just last week, at the close of the last week, we saw SBI come out with its results, rally 8% up, so that gave a lot of strength to Bank Nifty. And now if Bank Nifty crosses above 19,050, that is 19050, you can expect a breakout and Bank Nifty to shoot to 19,500 to 20,000 levels. And that is why I would suggest you to take private banking stocks right now, which are very attractive. ICICI Bank, after its results, is available at a very cheap rate of about 245. So this range of about 240 250 is very good to accumulate ICICI Bank for a target of 280 at least. And similarly, Kotak Mahindra Bank is another private bank that is very good, and it has been consolidating near about 760 or somewhat near that level. So you can buy Kotak Mahindra Bank at current levels for a target of about 800. Axis Bank has already rallied a lot, but Axis Bank is clear buy on dip stock. It has rallied up 3-4% last Friday also. So Axis Bank also, on any dip that you get, if you plot 14 period EMA on daily chart of Axis Bank, so whenever you find Axis Bank coming near that 14 period EMA, you can buy Axis Bank also. Other than that, stocks that you can look for are Tata Steel, which is again a very good buy for targets of 420. It is currently trading near 370. It is also has given a breakout obviously, but it had come into a very good monthly accumulation zone near about budget, from where entire metal sector has rallied up. Not just Tata Steel, you've seen Hindalco, Vedanta, Tata Steel, JSW Steel all rally up. So there is still a lot of upside left in Tata Steel, which you can benefit from and buy at current levels. Last stock that you can look for at current levels would be Larsen & Toubro. So Larsen & Toubro is consolidating after a run from 1200, 1100 levels to 1500 levels. So it is now available below 1500 levels. So currently you can buy Larsen & Toubro. It is available near its 50 period EMA, 200 period EMA. So in between that, those two EMAs of 50 period to 100 period is a very good accumulation zone, and you can accumulate it in your portfolio for long term as well, or for say month 2-3 months as well. Alright, so these were my views for Nifty and few of the stocks. Thank you for seeing this video. We'll see you again next time. Thank you.